In this video I am going to replace thermocouple of natural gas water heater. This yellow valve should be perpendicular to the pipe. So when there is no hot water in the house, the problem might be a thermocouple. So this video will give you an idea how to change the thermocouple. See the temperature, it's like room temperature, it's not changing anymore. So we might have to go to the hot water tank and try to see how to open up the thermocouple and change it. I bought the thermocouple from Home Depot. It's like $10. The exhaust pipe is not hot, so the fire is out. So let's see if the pilot is still on. Bring the control down to lowest settings by turning knobs to pilot and the top one to pilot as well. So on these settings we can reignite the pilot and check if it stays on or not. At this moment your gas should be on. The valve should be in line with the pipe so that we can restart the pilot. Here at the bottom of the tank is where you would normally see the pilot and the burner flame. But in my case looks like it's totally dark. I had to put a flashlight in to check if it's on, and there is no flame. There are 4 things inside: one starter, one pilot gas, and one is thermocouple and the main burner. So now we might have to restart the pilot. We'll try to restart, hope it works. So let's turn off the knob. It needs a little bit push and then rotate. So at this point your gas valve should be on, and let's try to restart it. Turn this knob to pilot. We'll need to push it down, and there is a green button on the right side of that knob. It's the spark igniter. So by pushing the gas knob down and pressing the green igniter should turn on the pilot. Once you see the pilot flame on, keep the black knob pressed for some time, maybe a minute or two, because thermocouple works only if it gets hot, and then it will send tiny current to the controller that will keep on providing the gas supply. If the thermocouple is dead, it won't provide the current and there will be no gas supply. So that's a safety feature. In my case the pilot flame went off, and I'll try to open the bottom part and see what could I do. And before doing this, your gas should be off. The yellow valve should be in perpendicular position to the pipe. So we'll remove these 3 connections under the controller and also the igniter, which is just a soft wire connected. So once it's open, you can slowly pull it out. And I am going to check my thermocouple by a multimeter and using a lighter to heat it up to check if there is any power flowing. If not, then we need to replace it. It is very easy to replace. Just cut the rubber, take the old one and replace with a new one. When you buy it, make sure you buy the same length. It comes in 18 inches, 20 inches, I think 24 inches as well. We can start the reassembly. Until this point, the gas valve should be off. So when everything is ready, you can start putting it back together. First the thermocouple connection, then the main gas valve and the pilot. It's important to remember not to over tight because it might damage the controller. Once the lines are connected, turn on the gas valve and then we can start igniting the pilot and see how it holds up. And then slowly rotate the knob to any setting, low setting probably, and then increase it gradually so the temperature doesn't shock. Thank you for watching.